Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Today I'm sharing with you a pumpkin spice smoothie. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I add all of my ingredients to a blender. Pomegranate juice, blueberries, papaya chunks, kiwi, avocado, spinach. This smoothie is rich in vitamin C and A, mint leaves, peanut butter for protein, vanilla extract, ginger, cardamom, pumpkin spice, and ice cubes. Cover, blend, or puree until smooth and creamy. I use the smoothie feature in my blender. This batch makes about 2 servings, 220 calories per serving. Sip and enjoy. You can get the written printable recipe on my food blog at julietkitchen.com. Happy cooking!